Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussed the properties and how to solve the addition and subtraction examples. In today's class we are going to begin with the sum of the story problems from your My Practice Time 6 and which are related to addition and subtraction. Okay, and in today's class we are going to solve the examples from page number 105, My Practice Time 6, and the first question is, see here, find the sum of the largest 6-digit and smallest 5-digit odd numbers. See here, find the sum of the largest 6-digit and smallest 5-digit odd number. See here, when you are while solving the story problems, you need to read the question once or twice. Then only you come to know which operation I am going to use here. So here the first only here is there sum. Find the sum. Sum means what I need to do here? Addition. Difference is there means subtraction. So here find the sum of the largest 6-digit and smallest 5-digit odd numbers. So here first you need to write here solution. Okay. Here you need to write solution and tell me the 6-digit largest number, 6-digit largest number, okay, and that is 9,99,999. 9,99,999 is the largest. What largest 6-digit odd numbers? Right here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and this is lakh. 9,99,999 is the 6-digit largest number. Then one more question is there here next, smallest 5-digit odd number. So the smallest 5-digit or smallest number is 10,000, but here they asked odd number. So here you write 5-digit, what is there? 5-digit smallest number, 5-digit smallest number. 5-digit smallest number is 10,001. Okay, see here 5-digit smallest odd number, that is 10,001. Here they have not asked smallest 5-digit number, they asked here smallest 5-digit odd number. 10,000 is a even number, already you know about even number and odd numbers. The multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, if they all are there means that is even number, and in one's place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is there means they are odd numbers. Okay, so here sum means what I need to do here? I need to add the number. Okay, add this number 9 plus 1. Yes, while adding you know already we start with ones place. 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11, and you get a carry, then keep in lakhs place. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 lakh 10,000. 10 lakh 10,000 will be the answer. See here, while solving the example, you read the question properly, write the statement, then you add the given example. Okay, if addition is there means you add, if subtraction is there means you need to subtract here. So I hope you understood this example. Then moving to second one, here there is one more question is there. In a trade fair there were 2,01,500 visitors. There is a fair, and how many members are visited on first day? 2,01,500 people are visited on first day, and on second day 99,999 visitors on day 2. First day visited 2,01,500, and on second day 99,999 visitors on day 2. Then find how many more visitors come on day 1 than on day 2. See here 2 lakh visitors are there, and here 99,999 visitors are there. So you need to subtract here. Then you come to know how many more people are visited that fair on day 1. So let us solve that example. So see here, I will solve that example. I am solving that example from your my practice time. Second question. In a trade fair, there were 2,01,500 visitors on a day 1 and 99,999 visitors on day 2. Find how many more visitors came on day 1 than on day 2. Okay. So see here, I will solve the solution. First again you write here solution. Solution, number of visitors. Number of visitors on day 1 came on number of visitors. Visitors on day 1. On day 1. How many are there? Tell me. 2,01,500. Okay, 2 lakh. I will write once again. 2,01,500. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, number of visitors. Number of visitors on day 2. On day 2. Okay, that is 99,999. Okay, so here number of visited came on day 1 2,01,500 and number of visitors on day 2 99,999. How many more people visited on day 1 they asked. So here we need to subtract. Okay, then see here, take carry, because 0 minus 9 is not possible. Take carry, this becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Again you take carry, 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again 5 minus 9 not possible. You take carry, 15 minus 10, because 9 plus 1 is 10. 15 minus 10 is 5. Again here 1 minus 9 is not possible. Again you need to take carry, 11. 11 minus 10, because 9 plus 1 is 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. Again you need to take carry here. This is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So what will be the answer here? Here after 3 digit, 1,01,501 visitors visited more on day 1, because here only in day 1 2,01,500, on day 2 99,999 people visited. By subtracting you come to know how many more people visited on day 1. So this is the solution of second question. See here, while solving the example you read the question carefully. Next, so this is the solution, and writing the statement is also here important. So let us solve third question. Third question, and I will write question now. See here, in an election, so this is third one solution. In an election, candidate A got 67,250 votes. How many votes? 67,250 votes from one village. And 96,050 votes from another village, another village, another village, village. Find the total number of votes. Find total number of votes received by candidate A. Candidate A. See here, so the third question here, in an election candidate A got 67,250 votes from one village and 96,050 votes from another village. So find the total number of votes. Find the total number of vote means you need to add here from village 1 from village 2. After adding, I will get how much votes he got from both the villages. So write here solution. What to write here? Solution: total number of votes from village 1. Yes, how much are there? 67,250 from village 2. How many people are there? How many votes he got? 96,050. Now you need to add the number 67,250 plus, you need to put here sign also, 96,050. So add here, 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, next 7 plus 6 is 13. Next 9, 10 plus 6 is 16. So total number of votes he got, that is 1,63,300. Total number of votes are how much? 1,63,300. Okay. See here, these are 3 examples I have solved. Few more, again 3 examples are there that I will solve in the next class. Okay. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.